And things couldn't be worse. The biggest exit in the history of Bitcoin ETFs has just happened, and price starts to a tragedy. More than 20% drop in less than a month. Is there any hope? My name is Kyle, and I'm a Coinex ambassador. And if you like this kind of content, please subscribe to the channel and smash the like button. And it seems that our sadness is the fuel for our dear friend Peter's happiness. I love the sound of a Bitcoin crash in the morning. And he's not wrong about it. Bitcoin is just melting down. $82,000 in this time. After we come back and see where can be the support of Bitcoin and things like that. But in this meantime, even Saylor is looking for a second job. Not just him, but the only president who actually has a Bitcoin reserve. That's very funny. But the biggest message of today's video we can see now. Stay humble and stack sats. Fear has returned to the market. Now it's showing us 21. We are in fear. But we have seen it before. When Bitcoin crashes in 2021 during the bull market. During the bull market, Bitcoin just crashes 50% and the Fear and Greed Index showing us the extreme fear on that time. But are we heading in that direction again? Cash markets already indicate that Bitcoin could reach $70,000. And in fact, we are experiencing the worst return for Bitcoin after a halving. Look, we are in this green line and we are in the worst place ever. And precisely at this moment, Bitcoin ETFs decided to abandon purchases. Let's see. Look, yesterday we went through the worst day in the history of Bitcoin ETFs outflows, over $1 billion. The class of 2025 is being tested heavily. Note that the most buyers are above the current price of Bitcoin and have a lot of weak hands in this 2025 class. We can see here that short-term holders just sell into a huge loss the Bitcoin. And here we can see that today, the largest loss since August 2024, $1.7 billion. And that begs the question, is the bull market over yet? So we can see a lot of indicators in the market that can show us if we are in a bull market or in a bear market, like B-Cycle Top, Rainbow Chart, MVRVZ Score, and others. We have here 30 indicators, and none of them hit the top. Bull market peak indicators don't show us that we are in a bear market. We are in a bull market yet. Therefore, the bull market is not over yet, although we can face major declines in the coming chapters. But before we look at the Bitcoin chart, I invite you to Coinex. It's a very simple and easy platform. Has the largest number of cryptos, values your privacy, and does not require KYC. Now let's face reality. Bitcoin just break important supports like EMA 200 in the daily chart, and the last point of support here in the price of Bitcoin. And the question is, where is the next support of Bitcoin if the price wants to fall more? First, let's go to the CME because we have a huge gap over here. So we have this gap in 77K. Let's put into our chart. Coming back here, 77K. This would be the next point of support if the price wants to fall more. Furthermore, we have a double top in price of Bitcoin that could lead into this range of price into 70K. So retest this top over here from March 24. This is the bad situation for Bitcoin if he wants to fall a lot. But we can see in RSI of Bitcoin in the daily chart that we are in an exhaustion phase that could mark a rebound in the price of Bitcoin. But the biggest question would be whether we are in accumulation or in a distribution phase. This is a very important question. We are in accumulation or distribution phase. If we are in accumulation, we can see through this graphic the phase C that shows us the movement called spring. So phase C. In this phase, the market tests the supply-demand balance for the last time before a new upturn begins. The spring or shakeout is a below support price movement that is quickly reversed. So we saw this in the past in Bitcoin. Let's see. Here we have our accumulation phase, resistance and support over there. And the price of Bitcoin just break the support over here. And this marks for us the movement called spring. Movement show us bear trap. And this bear trap resumes an uptrend. So now we are in the ranging market, and just break the support. And this is a spring movement. I don't know because we don't have higher volumes over here. The volumes looks like the same of the past days. In the past, when we have this movement, we have a super price here that overcome another movement of price. So this was spring movement. But now, I don't know if we are in accumulation run. We need more proofs of that. So if you're not in accumulation of Wyckoff, we can be in a distribution of Wyckoff in the phase D. Let's see the phase D over here. This place confirms the distribution hypothesis. The price fails to reach the previous highs set in the phase B and phase C. Let's see. Phase B and phase C, we don't overcome these places, indicating that supply is out of control. So we can be in a distribution phase. And in the price of Bitcoin, what could mark the most important place for us? In my opinion, this place over here in 98, 100K, because it's the last higher. So this is the last higher low. And the price of Bitcoin in the next days, if you can go through this place over here, we can see if the price will overcome this place or we will fail in this resistance, coming down the price more again. So the next days will be crucial for Bitcoin. And that's it. I hope you like it. See you in the next Coinex video. Bye.